Hello learners. Actually I am going to start question number 8 of exercise 18. This is a trigonometry chapter of standard 10 by Amal Agarwal book. But before starting 8th question, I thought that once again I will explain question number 7th second, which already have solved in previous video. So let's start question number 7th second explanation. See, question was sec 29 degree upon cosec 61 degree plus 2 into cot 8 degree into cot 17 degree into cot 45 degree into cot 73 degree into cot 82 degree minus 3 into sine square 38 degree plus sine square 52 degree, and we have to solve it. The condition was that we can't use trigonometric tables. So let's start how we'll solve it. Instead of writing sec 29 degree, I have written sec 90 minus 61 degree, because 90 minus 61 is 29 degree, and we haven't changed denominator. It is as it is. Our planning is that we have to reach up to this one so that we may cancel both numerator and denominator. So we change only sec, not cosec. After that, we saw that here is cot 8 degree, cot 17 degree, cot 45 degree, cot 73 degree, cot 82 degree. You can see that cot 8 degree can be cancelled by cot 82 degree. How? For that I have written cot 90 minus 82. Then after that line it changed into tan 82 degree, and on that side cot 82 degree can be written as 1 by tan 82 degree. So these both are cancelled. Okay. Similarly, what I have planned here, cot 17 degree and cot 73 degree will cancel each other, but not directly, after few steps. So cot 17 degree I have changed as cot 90 minus 73. And next step it became tan 73 degree. On that side cot instead of writing cot 73 degree I have written 1 by 73 degree. So these tan 73 cancelled, and cot 45 degree is equals to 1, so we put the value 1. Okay, and at last minus 3 sine square 38 degree plus sine square 52 degree. Especially for this part I have re-explained in this video, because maybe some doubt, because the letters are very small. So minus sine square 38 degree and sine square 52 degree. So I have written minus 3, and within bracket I have written sine square 90 minus 52 degree in place of 38 degree. And we haven't disturbed this one because we want to change any one as cos. So first one is changed, so no need to change second one. Now coming back, this is cosec 61 degree, so both are cancelled. This is cot 90 minus 82 degree, means tan 82 degree. This was cot 90 minus 73 degree, so that is tan 73 degree. And cot 45 degree already written as 1, and then cot 73 degree is 1 by tan 73 degree, and cot 82 degree is 1 by tan 82 degree. So these two cancelled. Similarly these two cancelled, and at last minus 3 inside the bracket, sine 90 minus 52 degree became cos theta. So sine square was there, so this is cos square 52 degree plus sine square 52 degree. Now these two added and it became 1. Now cosec cancelled, so 1 plus these numbers are cancelled, so only 2 left there. Minus 3 into inside the bracket there was 1. So overall that was 1 plus 2 minus 3, that is 3 minus 3, that is equals to 0. So this is your answer. Now we are going to start question number 8. Let's see what is given. Question number 8 first. This is of year 2010. 2010 board question is this one. See what is given in your question. Sine 35 degree into cos 55 degree plus cos 35 degree into sine 55 degree divided by cosec square 10 degree minus tan square 80 degree, and we have to solve without using trigonometric table. So let me copy the question. Sine 35 degree into cos 55 degree plus cos 35 degree into sine 55 degree divided by cosec square 10 degree minus tan square 80 degree. Let's start the solution. Now we are going to see the question very carefully. What is the planning? Planning is that first term numerator we want to convert as sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, this is already sine 35 degree, so I will change this one so that it will become sine 35 degree. This one also becomes sine 35 degree, and here we will change sine into cos. Okay, so let's start. And here cosec square theta is there, 10 degree is there, and 10 square. So I will change it into 1 by sine square 10 degree, and here sine square 80 degree by cos square 80 degree. Then what will happen? Let's see. Sine 35 degree into cos 90 minus 35 degree divided by, wait, plus cos 35 degree into sine 90 minus 35 degree. Okay, and cosec square 10 degree we can write as 1 by sine square 10 degree, and here it is sine square 80 degree upon cos square 80 degree. Mention all the formula whatever you are using, that sine theta upon cos theta is equals to tan theta, and 1 by sine theta means cosec theta. We used it, so we have written, we have shown here. After this, what? Sine 35 degree into sine 35 degree, because cos 90 minus theta, and there that was cos 35 degree, and sine 90 minus theta is what? That is also cos 35 degree, whole divided by 1 by sine square 10 degree minus, what I want to do here, here is sine square 10 degree and here is cos square 80 degree. So we will do one thing, we will change into 10 degree. So let's see what I can do. I will write sine square 90 minus 10 degree, and here cos square 90 minus 10 degree, because we have to change the numbers in that way the degrees will be same. Still it is 10 degree and here is 80 degree. After that, this is into this is sine square 35 degree plus cos square 35 degree upon 1 upon sine square 10 degree. And let's see what happened here. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, so this will be cos square 10 degree, and here is cos square 90 minus theta, so this will be sine square 10 degree. Now we can take LCM because both the denominators are same, while on the other hand, see the main numerator, that is 1, since we will mention sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So 1 upon, what is LCM? LCM is sine square 10 degrees. So what is the remaining thing? Here is 1 minus cos square 10 degree. Now we will write the reciprocal. 1 into sine square 10 degree upon, here is 1 minus cos square 10 degree. Now see from here only, 1 minus cos square is what? 1 minus cos square theta means sine square theta. So we are going to write that 1 into sine square 10 degree, and this will be sine square 10 degree, because sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, and we have used this value only here. So now sine square theta, sine square 10 degree, sine square 10 degree cancel, so 1 is your answer. So in this video, up to this one only, children. And one thing I want to say, that please subscribe my channel so that you will get all the notification, and don't forget to press bell icon, children. And if you like, please like my videos and share it also with your friends, and always check my description box, because I share link there also wherever there is need of other topics with the same video. So wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye.